So this is my review of the Andake Person Ultralight tent. I do have an earlier version that was bought in 2017, but you can see here it fits in the cup holder of my Gossamer Gear 36-liter Kumo backpack. This is a double-walled tent, so you set up the mesh section first. It does require a trekking pole at the head end, but at the foot end it does come with a little pole that you can use to attach it, and attach the guy line too, as you see here. I set this tent up enough to believe that the trekking pole is intended to go on the inside, since that is where the mesh is reinforced and there's no way to really attach it to the outside of the tent. Now you attach the rain fly. You will probably need some extra stakes for this. You can see here how the rain fly attaches to the pole that they give you. We unzip the vestibule. You can see the size on the inside. When we zip this tent up, you do have to go around the pole. You can see that it's pitched pretty tight, but there's still a lot of excess mesh fabric here. And then I am 5'1", so if I scoot down all the way, I've got about 6 inches of headroom, but I am right next to that trekking pole. So if I move forward, I have to worry about the mesh hitting me in the face all day, all night. This pocket is kind of useless. Now the pole I have set up on the outside, and I think it is intended to be on the inside where it's reinforced. There is a bit of fabric that can be fastened to the pole for better attachment. I did used to use that and put the pole on the outside, and the mesh fell on me in the middle of the night, so I figured that was not the best way to be pitching this. It does look like you can hang a lantern up there with an attachment, but I've never tried that and I probably wouldn't trust it. If we zip up the vestibule, you can see there's quite a bit of room for a moderately sized pack and for your shoes. There is another vent there. And then if we go to the back of the tent, you can see my major problem with this tent is that there appears to be a lot of excess fabric here. And as you can see here, I'm going to tighten the pitch a little bit more. But even when the perimeter is tightened, so you can see here it's pretty tight. And along here it's pretty taut. You still have lots of excess. If you adjust the guy lines, it really just pulls on the top, not what is below the guy line attachments. So this would blow in the wind all night and possibly wet the interior of your tent. You do need extra stakes because it's very difficult to get a good pitch on this, and so you're not going to be able to share the stakes with the rain fly and the interior mesh. So I used this tent the other day in the wind. Gusts were maybe 20 miles per hour. And I would grab the pole every time because I was afraid the tent was going to fall over as I was pitched in sand. And like I said, I'm 5'1". So if you're taller than me, you may find this a pretty uncomfortable tent. There may be some situations this is ideal, but I don't really trust this in strong weather and storms.